Hi guys! Today Anna and Nathan will make some smoothie, cookies and cream smoothie. Anna is a bit upset because Nathan wanted to take her seat, but I think she's okay now. Okay, let's go have a look how they make cookies and cream smoothie by Anna and Nathan. Alright, do you want to add some? Okay, come closer. Let him add something. Okay, here we go. You can help him, Anna. Great. Nathan as well. Good job. Good job, guys. Doing well. More. Let's add a little bit. Okay. Now add some bananas.
Banana.
Yes, add some bananas.
Hey, I got that one first.
Great. Good.
Hey.
Good job.
What's next?
Ice. There we go. All right, let me help you with the ice.
You pouring all of it. Look at this big one.
What's
Ice
next?
cream?
Ice cream.
Okay.
Use the spoon. How is it?
Nice.
Tasty?
Wait.
Okay. All right. You want to try as well? Good boy. Try again. Nathan,
Huh?
what color is this ice cream?
Okay.
What color is it?
Okay.
What color is it, Anna?
White.
White, yes. And what flavor is it?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay, can you tell us what did you add on this smoothie?
Oreos,
Yes.
bananas, ice cream. And we are missing something.
Okay, let me add all this ice cream. Great.
Let's just put this milk.
Good girl.
I never spill stuff. Then I'll open it.
All right, let's open this.
Then
And what's this, Anna?
a caramel sauce.
That's enough. That's a lot.
Wait.
All good. All right, let's mix it. Let's mix it.
Wait.
Okay. Okay. All right. On the 1, 2, 3,
go. And I didn't know that. And my mom just
Okay.
I'm getting away.
Okay.
Make sure you don't splash me.
That looks
Where's the straw?
delicious.
Mom,
Let me grab another cup.
Nathan, you can have a sip first. How is it, Nani? Anna?
Here.
Because Nathan never shares.
He doesn't like to share. Here
Where's
we
my
go.
straw?
I'll get you a straw. Here we go.
Yeah.
How is it, Nathan? Nathan? Is it good? Yes. How's it, Anna? How's your cookies and cream?
Good.
So this cookies and cream is made by Anna and Nathan. It's delicious, isn't it? Okay. That's actually really nice.
Yeah.
Can you remind them again what's the ingredients?
Oreos, bananas, ice cream, and caramel sauce.
And milk.
And I forgot about that.
Yeah. And milk. Yeah. It's very nice, very easy to make, and fun.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.